We at Motovation hope you and your family are staying safe. Yes, I get it. We are all sick and tired of this lockdown. We just want to say thank you for the continued support. Our walk-in location is temporarily closed, but our online store is open, taking orders, shipping them out daily. Let's get into this video. Hi, I'm Mike, and welcome to our Motovation USA brief unboxing where you can buy anything, everything premium for your motorcycle. In today's video, we're going to be doing things a little bit different. We constantly talk about amazing products that are pretty wild when we're talking in terms of pricing, but we want to do something a little bit different for you guys that are tried and true, part of the channel, shop with us at our online store and our walk-in location. We want to visit a couple of items that you can purchase that are roughly $30 and below and support your local business. Here at Motovation, we are a small team, a small group of guys just like you, man. We love bikes, we love racing, we go out there, go out on the road, and we're very passionate about what we're doing. We're not a giant corporation. In these really tough times, you wanna support your local company. That way, when things go back to their norm, we're still here doing amazing business, bringing you dope videos, and bringing you those premium parts that you're accustomed to. So let's talk about a few items that you can grab and still show love that are $30 and below and still feel great about your purchase. We might as well start this off right, guys. In all of these videos, you see what I'm wearing. This is the Motovation Performance Dry Fit Tee. It comes in two colorways. It comes in a slate, which is what I'm rocking, and also there's a gray. It's a universal fit, so that means, ladies, this is for you as well. It's great for under your riding gear because it's sweat wicking. It is a double sewn at the sleeves and at the hem. It's a great tee if you're working in the shop and you're sweating, or you're riding, or you want to wear it just casual, or you want to go to the gym. Definitely recommended. I love wearing mine. It's very cozy, very comfortable. It's something, if you love Motovation, you're part of the Motovation squad, you might want to grab one of these. Next up, we're going to be talking about the 10-ounce black and stainless steel Rambler Lowball Cup. It keeps your hot drinks hot and cold drinks cold. Really love using mine throughout the garage and even in the morning. So much so that I had to grab one for my wife. What's cool about this, it's a collaboration between Yeti, a very well-known brand, and Motovation, and they managed to put this piece together. You can throw it in the dishwasher, puncture, and double layer. It's a quality cup that's gonna become part of your garage or part of the usage you use every time you hit your garage, because I have mine in hand every morning, either if I'm gonna be warming up the bike or whatever that I'm doing. It's just very convenient, the fact that I know my drink's gonna stay cold when I'm out here in the garage, and it's gonna stay hot in the morning if I'm having some coffee, man. Really dope. And I love the fact that Motovation collab with Yeti to actually do this. It's a proven brand that knows how to make quality cups, so really dope stuff. The next up thing we're gonna be looking at, guys, this one is a 12-ounce. I gotta grab it from back here because I had it with me. Right when I turn this around, you're gonna see the branding, of course. Yeti. Yeah, man. That one you could actually use in two ways. You could actually have your soda inside there. It keeps the soda nice and cold. If you want to, you can actually just pour it in there, which is what I do sometimes if I'm just chilling at home, and just use it as is. Definitely recommend those. And these are limited run, so keep an eye out when you wanna grab them. All right, let's keep it moving. I had to get to some of the fun stuff, guys. Whenever you order from Motovation USA, you guys already know you receive some stickers in your packaging as part of what we do. We always include it. Maybe you just want to get some stickers to throw around in your garage, or decals. We do sell the Motovation USA decal and stickers individually. It's nice quality. I have them all over, man. I stick them on my computer, I stick them in the garage. You know, it's just a way to show love to a local company, and they're not very expensive, and they're pretty cool to kind of rep a brand, or you actually share the same passion. So we appreciate it. If you take a look at some of the stickers, the way the qualities are, they last you a very long time. They're not gonna fade over time. They're not gonna peel or lose adhesion. The links will be in the description down below for everything we're talking about here, or whatever you see that's in any of our videos, you can grab at MotovationUSA.com. Moving on to the next. Here's the thing, it just came to mind because I was jumping to one thing and I thought exactly. Key tag. Motovation USA has these really dope, genuine leather key tags that are die cut and laser etched with the actual Motovation USA branding. Really dope stuff. You're gonna see the actual key tag in the shape of the M for motivation. Love it. It's actually on my bike. It's on my key tag in my car and my motorcycle. It's just a reminder to me being part of the motivation squad, and it's special. You know what I mean? This is why I got a little giddy when I started talking about this. It's a small thing. And if you know, you know. Whoever buys premium products or premium parts and they know where it come from, they see the key tag, they know. That leather key tag is super classy. I know there's a lot of key tags out there that you can grab and throw on your motorcycle, and that leather, over time, as you start touching it, you're using your bike, it start building patina, has character, still looks great. Highly recommend the Motovation USA leather, genuine leather key tag. One of my faves, man. Last up, about to batter up. Last up is Reservoir Socks. I know everybody loves Reservoir Socks for the general reason none of us like the clear OEM reservoirs that comes on our bike. Everybody tends to get their own personality on the Reservoir Socks, and Motovation USA has a black one. Well, it's black, white, red, basically the logo. It looks pretty dope. It's a nice way to kind of cover up and still add your own personality and know you're with the squad. And also, it keeps it from sweating. If it's sweat, it absorbs it. If you end up getting a bit of a leak, it absorbs it as well. The quality is really nice. It's basically embroidered on to the actual sock. I love mine on the Hyper, and I also have it on the Monster as well after I changed the master cylinders. Definitely recommend grabbing one of them. We always love having some of the small merch to show love to the people that's part of the motorcycling community. So definitely, guys, some of these purchases might not be gigantic like buying an exhaust, but I'm just letting you know now, it matters in these current times. So definitely hit up the website, grab a tee, man. Come on, everybody rocks a tee, man. Mine's on all the time. Feel me? I think we've covered some really nice stuff. Again, some of these products are 30 and below, some of them are 20 and below, some of them are even 10 and below. So, you know, whether you don't want to enter at certain tier or you want to only purchase at a certain tier, there's something for you. Definitely hit up the website, MotovationUSA.com, and grab some, show some love. All right? As recommended, use your parts purchase to support the store that support your sport. Motovation USA gives back to the riding community with everything from safety seminar courses and worldwide racing sponsorships. For the most trusted parts and accessories, shop MotovationUSA.com. All links will be in the description down below. And remember, ride safe and ride often.